What up, everybody? So on today's video I will not be burying the cable. So this is actually a side job. I got called for a irrigation system. I gotta fix a broken pipe that's running underneath the driveway. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the broken pipe underneath the driveway. So let's get to it. If you want to see me do more irrigation work on how to install or repair sprinklers, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to provide you with those type of videos. There's a pipe that's leaking somewhere. There's the main line over there, and the backflow for the irrigation system is on the other side of the house over there. So we got the hard line for the irrigation running underneath this driveway. So there's a leak in between. You can see the water here. I'm gonna pull the water out, and then I'm gonna pull it out on the other side. You can see it dried out because I have the main water off. I kept it off right here. So we're gonna see. Yeah, that thing is way too close to the driveway, so I think whenever they drive the cars back and forward on the driveway, I think it cracked. The main water's on. You can see no more water on the cracks. That's because I have that capped off right there. So, alright, let's wait. Alright. Yeah, you can see it's very dry. No more leakage. So I'm about to run the new conduit under the driveway. Let's start off with digging this. Here's my trench. Got it ready to dig for the bore. So it's pretty much ready for the bore. It's about a 12-foot, 12-foot driveway bore. So you can see it's pretty deep. It's about a 12 to 14 inches deep. This one right here is right underneath the concrete slab. That's why it cracked, because you know the cars drive back and forward, so it cracked the main water underneath the driveway. So he had a leak right there in the middle, water squirting out through the crack. So that is not easy, my friends. That is a real workout. Damn, shit is tough. So I think I got maybe about up to here, and I still got a long ways to go. Man. Tired. Yeah, you can hear the water right there. Okay.
Yeah. God. It's barely been a minute.
Come on. No. All right. So it should be another side. Yeah. So now I gotta dig this up really fast. So I think we're already there. There's the new conduit, 1 inch, reschedule 40. And I'm about to connect it with this one right here. All right, almost done. All right, so I'm already finished gluing everything, the pipes together. You can see right there, that's where I connected with the main line. And it's connected right there. So I'm about to turn on the main water line. I already waited for 20 minutes. It was drying, so now I gotta turn on the water line and clean up everything, put everything back together, the grass, and wash everything up, and that's it. All right, so I just turned on the main water. You can see there's no leaks. Everything looks perfect. Now let's go check over here. And it looks perfect, no leaks. All right, so now I'll just put the grass back together and wash everything up. Alright, so I got everything all clean, washed up, looking nice. You can see there's no more leaks. That water should sink in by tomorrow, so everything should be dry.